Hello everyone, this short video is to show you how you can use PowerPoint themes without designing the entire background and structure yourself from the scratch. So themes are very quick ways of creating beautiful PowerPoint presentations or slideshows without designing everything from the scratch. Themes gives you the color, though the colors can be adjusted, it gives you the colors, the fonts, the structure, which all can also be adjusted. So to get started with a theme, that's with a predefined theme without creating your background design yourself, you go to design where you create a PowerPoint document. And then right here you can see themes and variants. So themes determine the overall structure, design, font and color of your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see here, you can pick a theme from the list of provided themes here, which also gives you it comes with fonts. All right, each of the themes comes with their own defined font. It also comes with their own color and background images. So how about variants? Variants are just other options or variations of a particular theme. For example, you can see this is the current variant I'm using for this theme. I can come over here and click on this, and this is going to give me a different color but the same theme, the same structure. Okay, so I can switch my variant here depending on which variant I prefer. Now how about font and color? Yes, you can actually alter the style of your theme. For instance, if you come over to variants right here, you can see you can change the colors of your theme to your preferred color, just in case you are working with a particular brand or with a particular theme of choice. All right, so you can pick a theme of your choice from here. That is the color. You can also pick fonts and effects and also background styles. Okay, so it's all your choice. You can alter any of these, but just know that these themes, they help you to work faster without having to design everything from the scratch. So you can get started with a PowerPoint theme to help you work faster. And one nice thing about theme is that if you insert a new slide, it comes with your theme. All right, you don't need to design insert a theme from the design a new theme. It comes with a theme. All right, and also you can apply different themes across the same presentation, the same design, or the same slideshow you are working on. For example, the first slide here has a particular theme. I can come over here and apply another theme. So if I go to design once again, I'm going to pick this theme. I'm going to right click on it. After selecting this slide, right click on this, your preferred theme, and then select apply to selected slide. This is now going to apply a new theme style to your selected slide. All right, though it is not advisable to use different themes, different colors, different fonts across the same presentation. Just stick to the same for consistency's sake. That brings out the beauty. All right, so guys, that's how you use themes and variants.